Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today I'm going to be going through the design team package that I picked up from Country Craft Creations. It comes with the Forest and Stream 12x12 collection. That's exclusively from Country Craft Creations. You need to check out the prices on these collections that are coming through because they are going to be coming with two of each sheet of the collection so that it makes it a little bit more affordable. In the past it had come with three. I think some of these collections are going to start to be offered also with single sheets, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. But I just want to give you kind of a look at what these collections have in them. So isn't this pretty? You're gonna see that with all the text and the old newspaper print. Just so nice. Look at that. Looks like the old magazines. Got a lot of beautiful script that's on here. We have these old looking advertisements are on here too. So giving you that quick look. I'm gonna try to keep this video short for you all. Got this one with the ducks. Back side, this is so pretty, these colors. I love the greens in here. Look at this, the horses. Been watching Yellowstone. Have you guys watched that show? It's a little bit violent, but I like drama. So here, look at all these cut aparts. They're beautiful. Back side of that one, you've got some lovely paper, again, newspaper print, some additional cut aparts, really antique look to it. About we use some junk journaling maybe for this. This is going to be fantastic. It's going to be a lot of fun. And then of course you have your cover sheet. This shows you all of the different paper collections that are in that set. And then I also want to share with you, I usually try to go through and take a look at what papers are on sale and how can I include them with some of the collections that I'm picking up, the newer collections that I'm picking up. So I went and found this paper from Echo Park. This is Snowed In, and it has this green and this blue. So look how awesome this is going to look with this, and also with some of the collections I'll show you in a minute from Country Craft Creations as well. Here's another one from Snowed In. So I have this plaid that's there. I probably won't use this side of the paper, but I'm loving the plaid. Then we have this green and brown because I picked up two of those so I could use the brown side and the green side. And then lastly, I have from Homemade, this is a Cardabella paper. This is called Cluck Cluck. So of course it has those chickens and roosters on the back side, which I might just mix with a couple of different paper collections. So that was Forest and Stream. That was the 12x12 paper collection. And then the other two that I picked up from Country Craft Creations was the brand new What's Brewing, and this is the 8x8, and then I have the music box in 8x8, which I have not been able to play with this one just yet. It's been out for a little while, but of course it is still available, and Mother's Day is coming up, so that's going to be really fun. So What's Brewing, let me do a walkthrough of this. The greens in this paper collection are gorgeous. These are the cut aparts that you have here, the little tags. The sayings on these are super fun. Look at that. Loving the colors. And then of course you have the gorgeous back sides of these prints as well. So look at all that coffee dye and the old script that's there. So you get two of those, and then you have the cut aparts. So you have your, I always forget what size these are. Let's go ahead and take a look. So they measure 2 5/8 in width and about 4 inches tall. And then you have your smaller ephemera that's 2 3/4 by about 2 inches right there. So there's 4 of them. And then you have your couple of border strips as well. So look at those cappuccinos and stuff. It's gonna be so fun. And beautiful roasted coffee beans. Can you smell it? I can smell it. Look at this blue. loving the blue. So remember what I said about the plaid paper collection? Well, I think on a live that Sally did, she even said, oh, she's thinking for Christmas. How pretty would that be? I'm thinking with the plaid. I'm gonna do something with that plaid. So mix and match those papers, find them on sale, and have a ball. So here, we're gonna do another quick flip through, but look at that gorgeous stripe. Loving that. Here's the front side of this one with the coffee mill. Check out Kim Reynolds, her tutorial that's coming out with her paper collection that she was using of this What's Brewing. Coffee makes everything better. Maybe tea. Maybe you drink tea and you want to do tea dye. This is still a beautiful paper collection to use. You steep your tea. Look at these, the hearts in the coffee, in the latte. And then on the back side, again, perfect Christmas paper. Here, like Sally said, mix it up with a green. Isn't that pretty? Loving those colors, those greens. And this one, oh my gosh, this is just beautiful, beautiful imagery. Okay, there's those blues again. This is royal blues, it's so pretty. Iced coffee on this one. So you see the mugs, the ball jars. Okay, beautiful blue on that side. These deep browns, distress browns, espresso brown. Okay, and that was the What's Brewing paper collection, and that is the 8x8. And then lastly, we have the music box collection. So again, this is the 8x8. Do the flip through of this. So here are your cut aparts. You have those gorgeous pinks and more of a, it's not a, yeah, a minty, mint julep type of look to this. So maybe coming up for May, how about mixing it with some of the horse paper from Country Craft Creations. That would be beautiful. Piano. Here we go. This is the one I was thinking of, the Majestic Dreams by Country Craft Creations. Look at the roses that are on there. So Derby Day. Derby Day is coming up, right? And that will be fun time. Give you a chance to put on a big hat, floppy hat. Do it up with some flowers. Got the music notes on the back side. And of course, you still have your cut aparts here and then those border strips. And what a great idea to have the piano keys down there. Beautiful green back side, so you get two of those. And here's your roses with flutes. You got the back side there without the flutes, but the roses. And this older paper collection has 3 sheets, so I think check out the new sets because to make them a little bit more affordable, I think it's going to come with 2 of each of the sheets, like I mentioned before. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this with the harps. And then all the roses on the back side. What if you mix this with Alice in Wonderland? If you have a Disney project that you're putting together, how cool would that be? Here you have the little ballerinas, the jewelry box with that pink stripe on the back. So pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What is this, a saxophone? No, it's not a saxophone. Oboe? Somebody put a comment in the comments below. Tell me what that is. I can't remember what the name of that is. Oh boy. Now it's gonna drive me crazy to think about it, but look at this. So pretty. The pretty stripes on the back. Back to that mint julep. green. Gorgeous. These flowers in the background. Hoping you can see that well enough. No, that's the French horn. Pretty would that be for Christmas? That would be pretty for Christmas. Those French horns. Those violin. So pretty. Okay. And that is the music box. So I hope you have enjoyed this flip through on these paper collections. You know, I'm going to enjoy myself in putting together these next few projects for you all. So until next time, everyone, happy crafting, you all. Bye.